So people, will typically ask, with a VAWA case, is it only physical abuse? What if I don't have any evidence of physical abuse? And so our experience and with VAWA cases, abuse is not always physical, and oftentimes it's not even physical. A lot of times, abuse can be psychological, it can be emotional or mental abuse or verbal abuse, it could even be abuse of the legal system, sexual abuse, financial abuse, and, just kind of go over like some examples of what would constitute these types of abuse, and the mental abuse, just think of things that affect the emotional mindset or the emotional state of a person. If someone is And so a lot of times you'll find that mental, emotional go hand in hand with verbal because, as I'm sure you guys have heard, a tongue or is like a sword or is it like a bullet? I don't know which one of the phrases they use, but like, certain things that you say to certain people can really affect them. Like, you talking about, someone's physical appearance or talking about their ability in the bedroom or, talking about, who they are as parents or what they look like. These are all things that can, lead to depression, for someone and, affect them, from a mental and emotional standpoint. Or sometimes you have someone who's gaslighting you or manipulating you mentally where, they tell you, and this goes more into the psychological aspect, like if you leave me, I'm gonna basically off myself, so things like that.